guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be recording my first video after all of this crazy pandemic and quarantining and months of just all this craziness that has been going on. First of all, my hearts and prayers are with all of you. I hope that you guys are all happy and healthy and you are all staying safe. And thankfully we are too. Our family is fine. I'm okay. So I'm happy to report that. So today I want to share with you a project that I'm working on here in Doral, Florida. It's a 4-story townhouse and it's completely turnkey. And this project is a little bit different. This is more about getting the clients in as quickly and as safely as possible to their new home. You know, with this pandemic and everything that's going on, it's really changed the way that we do business. So our goal here is to just get everybody in the house as safely as possible and choose furniture that is in stock and available right away so we can get them as comfortable as possible and then beautify the spaces as we always do, little by little. So I'm going to show you around, show you all the areas of the house, and then we get started. So this is the first of 4 floors. This is where you come in through the front door, where we plan to do just a little sitting area. And here to the right is the elevator, which goes to all 4 floors. And then to the left is the stairs that brings you up to the main living space. So this is the main living space here. This is where the kitchen is, the dining room, and the main living room will be. Nice open concept. So here we're gonna float a dining room and a living room right here in this main space. And out there we have a nice little balcony for some extra outdoor seating. And back here is the son's bedroom, where we're planning on putting some bunk beds for when extra family members come over and stay. They can stay here. Here is the guest bathroom and the main living space again. Up on the 3rd floor of the townhouse is the daughter's bedroom, straight off of the stairs. Here we plan on doing a nice little twin bed with a trundle and a little desk area. The rooms are a little small, so we have to be really careful with our dimensions of our furniture, get very creative. And then off to the right here is the master bedroom. Very nice size. Here we plan on using some of the pieces of the homeowner's previous furniture and mixing it in with some new furniture. Some nice big windows here. Lots of great sunlight. This townhouse, you know, some townhouses are a little bit limited with sunlight, but this one has really good windows. I'm very happy to see that. Master bathroom, very spacious, double sinks, very luxurious bathroom. The last floor is going to be a mix of media room / home office. This space is a nice big space, so we're going to divide and conquer here. During the day it's going to be a home office, and in the afternoon and evening hours they're going to use it as movie watching and hanging out, and really just kind of a multi-purpose space for the family to enjoy. And out here we have a nice little barbecue area, so we're going to put a nice little dining table out here so you can hang out, have some food, and watch some movies. And then here is the elevator space again. So that's the space. This is all 4 floors. Stay tuned for updates on this project coming up real soon. On this beautiful Tuesday. Today is install day. It's about 8 a.m. and I just arrived to the property. As you can see, I'm already starting to unload my car with all these things. So we have, in the past 3-4 days, we've been painting, putting up light fixtures, cleaning out the areas, getting everything ready for the furniture, which is coming today. We're getting furniture today, artwork, accessories, TVs, some appliances. So it's gonna be a very busy day, so stay tuned. So just a quick recap on this project. I was given less than a week, so about 6 days from concept to completion to finish this project. So from picking out all of the furniture, accessories, getting the blinds installed, getting the lighting installed, getting the walls, accent walls painted, I had less than a week to do all of this. So I really had to concentrate on choosing everything that was in stock only, all the furniture, all the rugs, all the major pieces of artwork, and go and find all the little pieces locally so that I can pull it all together. And I think it really turned out beautiful. Neutral overall palette with pops of color in yellow and grays. Here's the family room area. This is the 4th floor, which has a little balcony with a barbecue. So this is really just like a hangout area. I put a little bar here on the left, and the home office is off to the right for the father to use during the day. And again, just simple, minimal accessories, something very comfortable and very functional. Lots of storage, nice big TV, just a place for the family to hang out. Here is the master bedroom. I wanted to create a nice contrast against the back bed wall. They already had their bed. They had a nice white bed, so I just had to add everything else, and I think it came out really nice. We did a nice contrast with the gray and the yellow, and it really turned out elegant. I really like the way this space turned out. Here's the daughter's room. This is the smallest room in the house, so I really needed to get creative with the walls and not put so much furniture in the room. So I really had fun with polka dots and adding some angles here, just doing something fun with paint color. Here's the son's room with a simple bunk bed, some color on the walls, and just keeping it nice and open again so the kids have room to play. On the first floor is the kids' playroom. So this is a place where they're gonna be playing their video games and hanging out with their friends after school. Again, just simple and modern. And that's it, guys. I hope you liked this project. It was a lot of fun for me, but on to the next one.